Hello friends, this is Abhishek coming with one more tutorial, number 8, related to database. In my last video, we have seen how we can use the database in a Phonegap 3. For today's, we are creating a new application which we are going to use the insert query as well as update query. It means we are using insert and update to our new Android applications. In these applications, we have to manage the both queries, insert as well as update for the same records. Let's start for creating a new application for Phonegap 3. Cordova create db update com.webconnect and db update. cd sorry update Cordova platforms add Android. Just adding platform to our application. Now build your applications by firing this command Cordova build. Okay. Before I start for the updations or update query, I would like to show you my before applications. Like this is the database applications in which I have created a table called student and registered a students on a click events. Okay. In this video, we are doing that again, and we will include the update query in this tutorial. Okay, now our application is created. Now we will add a plugin, dialog plugins to our application. So please fire this command Cordova plugin add org.apache.cordova.dialog. Just a minute. I haven't started my internet, so let's try. I think still it's not working. Cordova plugin add org.apache.cordova.dialogs. Yeah, it's complete. Now again build your application. It's done. Now we will import this application to Eclipse. Okay, uncheck these two options. Yeah, our application is loaded successfully. Now just open your index page. I'm removing this. After that, drag it to our head section so it will become easy to manage. After that, here I'm creating a new design. Table align equals to center. H roll number. Input type is equals to text. Name is equal to txt. Roll number. ID is equals to same. First name, last name, address, and city, and my buttons. Input type is equals to button. ID equals btn insert. Value register. On click register new. And this one for update. Input type is equals to button. ID is equals to btn update, and value is equals to update student. On click update student. We will change the register name, register stu. After that, creating these functions over here, register student, and function update student. I will change the name, roll number. After that, first name, last name, and mobile number. Okay. After that, txt first name, txt last name, txt mobile number. We're done with the design. I'm giving a border. Okay. Now let's check the UI. Android application. You can track your application over here in console. Yeah, see, installing DB update, and there is our emulator in which our application will run. Our design is ready. Roll number, first name, last name, and mobile number. Register and update student. Okay. Now I'm giving the width of 100%. Now we will register a device ready event for the application. So I'm using document dot add event listener device ready. There should be callback function on device ready and false. Okay, now create a on device ready function on device ready. Okay, now here we will create a database. So where database is equals to window dot create open, just a minute. It's just open database. Open database, your database name, that is student DB. After that, version 1.0, whatever you want. After that, display name, student database, and the size. I'm giving 2 lakh. Okay. Now we have to create a database, so I'm using this variable dot transaction create db success db success db and error db. Okay, sorry, there should be first error db and success db. Now these are the callback functions. We have to create this function. There should be one parameter. Now tx dot execute SQL. All the things are case sensitive, so be careful. Create table if not exist. Create table if not exist, and the table name is student. Roll number should be integer. First name should be text. Last name text, and mobile number is also text. Now our database is created. If we got any kind of error, then this function will call error navigator dot notification dot alert error plus err null error and button text. Okay, and the success db function success db. I'm just giving a message that our database is successfully created. Database is successfully created. Okay, now we have to register a student. So I'm using this line again in our registers to function. Okay, now again we have to populate a database. So use this variable dot transaction. Um, Insert student error db. I'm using the same callback function. So we don't have to create it again. Just now we have to create a student function. Just use tx dot execute SQL, write your query, insert into student values, insert into student, you have the columns name, roll number, first name, last name, and mobile number. and the values over here where roll number is equals to document dot get element by id txt roll number dot value first name, last name, and mobile number. First name, last name, mobile number. txt first name, txt last name, and the last is your mobile number. Please cross check these IDs are correctly spelled or not. First name and last name and txt mobile number. Yeah, it's perfectly alright. Now first parameter is integer, so I am not specifying any single quote. Roll number. After that, let me copy first name, last name, mobile number. Okay, and here I'm changing the success DB function because when this query is successfully fired on our database, this message will display. So uh, success insert. Okay, and over here function navigator, same thing. We'll copy here. Just change the message. Student is registered successfully, and information. Okay, now let's check that our application is working or not properly. Installing successfully run. Yes, just a second. We didn't get any message that our database is successfully created. Notification database is successfully created. Okay, it means Cordova is not loaded successfully. Document.add event listener. Perfect. And device ready. Okay, perfect. Everything is perfect. I'm running it again. Yeah, database successfully created. That means something went wrong. So let's create a new student. This is new student. My name and mobile number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Register. Student is registered successfully. Okay, that means one record is stored in our database. Now we will see the database in our emulator. So just go to window, show view, other, and select the Android and file explorer. Okay, now you will get a file explorer over here. Now if you want to see your database, then go to data. After that, again data, your package name, that is com.webconnect, and your database. Okay, now export this file to your desktop from here, and we will save this. Okay, okay. Where's the file? Failed to pull selection null. We will pull it again. This device is disconnected, so we have to run it again. Run as Android application. Failed to install DB app on device emulator timeout. Oops, we have to close this one and run it a new instance. Let's run our application. Okay, application is started. So we will check. Just a minute. We have to insert a record as well. So it will show one record. Yeah. Student is registered successfully. Okay. Now we will check a database. So just go to data, data, then your web connect, then your app database, after that file underscore zero, and export this 0001 file. Desktop. You cannot open this file directly, so you have to download an application that is called SQLITE developer or SQLITE browser. So we will open this applications and add this database. So just give a path 001, open new student, already been registered. So open the student table. Yeah, this is our table, query data, will extract from main dot student, so it will show two records. This is the new student, my name, and Abhishek, and our mobile number. Right? We haven't added a primary key, so it will repeat the roll number. Right? Now, the important point. The important point is updating a record. Okay, so just follow same structures which we have followed for inserting a record. Now just open your database. After that, create a callback function, update db, error will be same, and success for the update, success function, update db, tx dot execute sql. I hope you guys are familiar with the SQL statements. Update student set first name equals single quote, first name, last name equals mobile number is equals where roll number is equals this will fire and update success. Just copy this alert, updated successfully. Now we are going to update the roll number 2, which we have seen before in our database. There was Abhishek Bendre 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, we will change this data. Now just run your application, run as Android application. The database is not creating every time. See, we have written this query, create table if not exist. If our table is not found in a database, then it will create a new table. Okay, so our data will be remain same. So I'm updating the roll number 2. Name should be Ravi. New last name, and the mobile number should be reverse. Yeah, and now update student. Student is updated successfully. Now let's check. Open your file explorer, refresh this, and just export this on your desktop. Save. Okay. Now open a database. Database is already registered. query data. See, our values has been updated. Ravi, last name, and the mobile number. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have any problem, you can comment on this videos. And if you have any other requirements regarding Phonegap 3, you can post it on my YouTube channel. Please visit these channels and subscribe. This is Abhishek signing out. Thank you. Bye bye.